They say they serve the best pizza in Dagupan. This place also looks very fancy, so I'm gonna be stricter today. First dish, truffle cream pasta. The truffles taste like truffle paste that you can buy in SNR, but it's pretty good. 8 out of 10. We got the garlic and parmesan wings. This one's crazy. It's 500 pesos, but it's tender, light, crispy, and the sauce is great. 8.5 out of 10. Roast pork aligo rice. The rice lacks flavor. The pork is soft but dry. 3 out of 10. The famous Olivia's pizzas. Dough is perfect, not greasy. This is their shrimp and garlic pizza. By itself, 6.5, but with this hot honey, it's 8 out of 10. I know not everyone likes pineapple on pizza, but this one is solid 9 out of 10. So besides it's a little bit expensive here, I think it's worth the try. Bye bye!